Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you have a BMW guys X5 with a 6-cylinder engine and you're trying to find where your thermostat is located, stay with us, we'll cover that today. It should be very helpful on the E70 generation guys, BMW X5. So we'll demonstrate on N52 engine. That 6-cylinder engine has been used in BMW X3, X5, 3 Series, 5 Series BMW. You can even find it in 1 Series BMW in the United States guys, the same engine. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Another thing guys, if you need to buy a new thermostat, parts, tools, coolant, BMW approved coolant, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Let me show you what we have here now. This is the N52 engine guys. N52 engine right here, and thermostat is very hidden, but there are 3 things that you need to do when you replace the thermostat. Number 1 guys, okay, you will need to drain your cooling system. Now you're having a hard time finding your thermostat, okay, and we'll explain why. That's what it looks like. This is your thermostat. It has 4 hoses. It has 1 wiring connector, and we'll have a complete replacement video on BMW N52 engine. It will be posted on our main channel, How to Repair guys. We have helped more than 69 million people, so please check it out guys. So first, drain the coolant. Second guys, this is your thermostat by your electric water pump. Okay, you can see this is it. Now it's very hidden location. You have 2 bolts on the bottom where they attach to the water pump, and you need to disconnect 4 hoses and 1 wiring connector. And once you do all that guys, okay, once you do all that, you'll be able to remove the thermostat. We'll have a complete video as I said, but later when you refill your system, make sure you use a BMW coolant or a coolant that's approved by BMW. That way you will not cause damage to your thermostat, electric water pump, which is very expensive, your hoses, seals, and head gasket, cooling system guys, anything like that. So definitely guys, use BMW approved coolant. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. Number 2 guys, after you replace it, you need to bleed the cooling system, because if you just add coolant, you have air pockets that can cause your damage to overheat, and that can be catastrophic. You can end up needing a new engine or the old engine rebuilt. So there is a special procedure that you activate the water pump to bleed your cooling system, and we have the video guys on the channel how to do that on BMW, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to locate the thermostat in case you need to replace it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.